everyone, my name is Matthew. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and quick burger by measuring 70 grams of grounded pork. Off by measuring 2.5 ounces of pork and shape it into a ball. We have burger bun, pork, American cheese, salt, pepper, and the sauce we have ketchup and mayo. Season the pork with the salt and pepper and don't be skimpy on it. Season the pork with salt and pepper. Don't be skimpy on it.
How hot should the pan be?
Hot, very hot as possible.
Oh, okay.
Then, put some oil in the pan.
What are you doing, man?
Oh, I'm slicing the iceberg lettuce for the burger.
Oh, cool. I love iceberg lettuce.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm tossing the bun in the pork grease. There's nothing worse than a greasy bun. Leave it alone for 30 seconds. I'm toasting the bun so the bun doesn't get soggy. Leave it alone for like 30 seconds. Mix mayo and ketchup in the ratio of 1:1. I'm going to show you how to assemble the burger.
The sound is so crunchy.
Because we toast the buns.
Oh, so that's why other burgers are not delicious at all.
Put 2 pieces of pork.
What? You use two?
Yes,
That's
for
gotta be
maximum of
delicious.
flavor. Then the iceberg lettuce. Put the top bun and voila! Your burger is finished.
It doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste great. But it's perfect.
Yay! Thank you, Mike.
The next one for...
The next one is for my mother. She doesn't like cheese.
Only one.
Hmm?
Pork.
True. That's true.
Only one.
That's true.
But I want one.
Matthew, she wants only one piece
Oh.
of pork.
Okay? And this is for you, my lovely mom.
Thank you very much.
I'm going triple because I love burgers. One, two, and three. Lettuce and done. A very giant burger.
Whoa. Let me see the inside.
Wow. Very, very good. Good job, Matthew.